In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add media to a product in your Shopify store. This process will allow you to enhance your product listings and improve your online store's appearance. So let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. If you're not already there, open your web browser and head over to the admin section of your Shopify store. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your headquarters for managing your store, providing a bird's eye view of various activities and updates. Now, the focus here is on product management, so let's head over to that section. On the left-hand side of your screen, you should see a menu. Go ahead and click on the Products tab. This will take you to a comprehensive list of your store's inventory. Here, you can manage existing products and add new ones. For today's purpose, we're going to work with a specific product. Scan through your product list and locate Example Shirt 2. Once you've found it, click on it to access all the details. Great! You're now viewing the product page for Example Shirt 2. This page is the place where you can update all sorts of information about the product, such as the price, description, and images. Our task is to add media, so look for a button that says Add Media. It should be nearby. Clicking on this button will allow you to include additional media, such as videos, which can enrich your product description. Select your desired video file from your computer to enhance your product listing. Adding a video is an excellent way to showcase your product, offering your customers a more dynamic view, helping them understand its features and benefits better than pictures alone would do. Once you've selected and uploaded your video, you'll need to confirm the change. Now, go ahead and click on Done. This action will save the media you've just added to your product page. A well-curated product page can make all the difference in how your customers perceive your offerings. Giving them comprehensive insights through videos or diverse media maintains their interest and could potentially lead to increased sales. And there you have it. Adding media to a product in Shopify is as simple as that. By following these steps, you've enhanced your product's presentation, helping customers make informed purchasing decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you improve your online store. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify experience. Until next time,